Hello everyone, so I took my vehicle in to have an oil change and also alignment done at a local shop. After I got my car back, I hear the rattling sound at the bottom of the vehicle, which is on the driver's side. I was a little puzzled, so I took it back to the shop. They couldn't find anything beside there's a front flap there, plastic flap. They shoved it in, and that was about it. I told a friend who's a mechanic for a car dealer for 35 years. He's kind enough to check it out for me here. He jacked it up at his home garage, and he's looking at all the axles and everything else. And here he's taking the flap by the oil, where you change the oil. Take a look at it to see if there's anything loose in there. Apparently there's nothing. um, so he's helping me put it back together, and also put some new screws, plastic screws in the front, you know to keep things from rattling, including the license plate over here. Took apart, bent it straight, and he also put some adhesive backing to keep it from vibrating. And pretty much we tied everything we could, including the grill. So I'm a little puzzled as to what happened. um, that's it. Well, thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. See you next time.